Barbecue family, let me tell you something. I have finally made it to Destination Smokehouse in the southern part of California. And when I tell you, from the oxtails to the ribs, the baked beans, the brisket, the mac and cheese, the turkey, the brisket tacos, pastrami was all on fire. Check it out. Getting up in here, home of the tenderism, Destination Smokehouse. Here is my platter. Finally got to the destination. I got a little bit of everything and got a quick second to chat it up with my man Nick over here. Appreciate you.
You got a really good spread, man. I hope you enjoy everything. If maybe some dessert, we do those dessert waffles afterwards. I can bring one over for you guys. Do you like strawberries or do you like chocolate?
Oh, stuff.
Alright, cool. I already know then.
She won't say no.
Woo. We enjoy turkey with fries.
I don't know where to go first. I gotta try. Dun dun dun. The oxtails. Super tender. That's great. Tastes like brisket meat. Wow. Straight off the bone. Not bad for the first time. Coming in for some brisket. Take a look at how tender and juicy this turkey is. Alright, now we're gonna finally get to this little perfect rib. Brisket taco with all the trimmings. Alright, they just brought me over this beauty on the house to try out some of the beautiful pastrami meat. I love the crust on that. Let's dig in. Oh, we going behind the scenes. Oh, the big Navy.
So that's the one we cook all of our pork on. I think everything's off of this one.
No, there's ribs.
Ribs still? Okay, cool.
Yeah, they're coming along.
Yeah. We cook them all the way through too. We don't wrap them anymore. Let them finish. And we're really looking for more like the way that they bend, more than temperature and of course color. Got some shoulder on over here in the back. Just a couple.
What do y'all like cooking with wood-wise?
So I love pecan, but it's really hard to find.
That's all we got in Arizona. Nothing but pecan. That's all I cook with now.
How the heck can I get that to work for me?
We can do something. I can send something. You can send something.
Right now we're going to.
Good day. Good day.
Hi, nice to meet you.
Nice to meet y'all. I understand. Y'all keep on working, doing what you do. Appreciate y'all.
From Arizona.
Arizona. What part of Arizona?
Hop, skip, and a jump. Gilbert.
Gilbert. I've been to Flagstaff. I think I've been to Gilbert.
You got anything on the back door?
Just pouring out all this goodness.
Cool. And then beef ribs and pastrami.
Pastrami was great too, by the way.
Thank you.
We have came, we have saw, and we have conquered. Great atmosphere. We got a nice little tour of the joint. A little bit of everything we could on the menu. And that's official. I done finally made it out here to Destinations. Now, what can I say about those destinations? From front to back, this was a top-class establishment. Nothing but tenderism in every dish. Nick did a great job of giving me a great tour around the place, giving me a little bit of insight on kind of how they got started. But also, the platter that I had wasn't missing too much of nothing, and whatever I was missing, he made sure I had. So I could not complain. It was a great mission to be able to go check out a traditional barbecue spot in California that was doing it right. Big shouts out to them. Big shouts to anybody else that missed. And for the first time, me tasting the oxtail, let me tell you something. I've been missing out.